Hi there, this is me again, Mr. Zamora, and I am here to explain 7.V.4. Find the slope from an equation. It sounds like harder than it is, right? It's really simple. You're going to finish this activity in less than 3 minutes, I think. The first thing you need to know is that the slope is like, for example, if you have a graph, something like this, you have this graph, okay, this and this. So the slope is, whoopsie, sorry about that. Okay, so we have this graph, right? If you're going to draw a line, that line is going to be your function or your equation, like this, for example. When you draw the line, when you join the dots in the line, you're going to draw something like this, okay? So the slope means, imagine this is like that you're going up to a mountain. This is a positive slope. Why is it positive? Because you're going up to the mountain. If the slope were something like this, it will be a negative slope, okay? So depending on how hard it is to go to the mountain, it is going to be the slope. For example, a line that goes something like this will be a very low slope, like 0 point something or 1 or 2. If after you join the dots, the points, if the line goes like this or like this, like very hard to climb, sorry, it is going to be like a very high slope, like for example 6, 7, 8, something like that. It's going to be a higher number, okay? Having said that, finding the slope from this equation is very easy. You're just going to I'm sorry, this coronavirus is killing me. No, just kidding. All right, so you need to find the variable x. It is right here, and then you're going to find the constant that is with that variable, which is -4. So that is going to be your answer, -4. It is really extremely easy, right? So follow the instructions, simplify your answer, and write it as a proper fraction. In proper fraction, so the key is just you need to write a fraction or integer. In this case, it is an integer, all right? So -4 is our answer. We submit it, and you got it. Now, we have the variable x, and we have 3 halves right here. That is our answer. We have a fraction, and it is an improper fraction. Why is it improper? Because it's higher than 1. Okay, so 3 halves. We are just going to ignore the rest of the equation. We're just going to focus on the coefficient that is with the x, all right? The number that is with the x. Okay, we submit. Okay, in this case is 9/5. 9/5. In this case is -2/3. All right, -2/3. All right, so if you already understood, you can just stop the video and go straight to your work. If you still have questions, keep following me in this video. Okay, so we find the variable x, and the coefficient of this is -6/5. -6/5. Okay, in this case we find the variable x, and the coefficient that is with the x is -4/3. Here is 1/6. negative 7/2, negative 7/2. Okay, so as I am telling you, this negative 5/6, it is less than 1. So the slope is, the line is, if we draw the line for that, it is going to be like very, like almost like horizontal, not really horizontal, but almost like that. If it were a mountain, it will be something really easy to hike or to climb. All right, negative 5/8. 6, this will be something that will be harder to climb. It will be like more horizontally, not really horizontal, but the inclination or the slope will be like almost like a line that is vertical. 6/5 or 6/5 negative. Remember, when the slope is negative, negative 9/7, it's because the line goes from left to right, will be going down the hill. All right, so just keep going. Well, actually I answered 13, or I solved 13 problems. You're just going to have, you just need to solve 10. Keep the good work and see you in the next video. Bye bye.